Lochandas Thakur saying that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are most merciful incarnations of Supreme Personality of Godhead. No incarnation, no avatara will be compared with Gaurasundara and Nityananda Prabhu in the terms of mercy. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are embodiment of Krishna Prema, embodiment of mercy towards all the conditioned souls. Narottama says that, "O brother, O Jiva, please come and take the shelter of my Nitai, my Gauranga. Don't waste your time in this so-called material pleasures. Please come and take the shelter." By hearing the divine qualities and pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, Lochandas Thakur is saying, even the stone-hearted person will melt. What about stone-hearted person? Even stone itself, it melts by the divine qualities of Gaurasundara and Nityananda Prabhu. Really, Nityananda Prabhu is ocean of mercy. Srila Prabhupada calls Nityananda Prabhu as Abadha Karuna Sindhu, ocean of mercy without boundaries and barriers. Nityananda Prabhu used to go to every house. He not have any discrimination like that, caste, creed, gender, anything. He used to roam in the streets like a madman intoxicated with Krishna Prema. Always used to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Where he used to meet anyone, immediately Nityananda Prabhu made them to chant. He used to go like a madman. Nityananda Prabhu used to go to every house and used to beg all to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. He used to say, "Ma Bhiksham Dehi." When he used to go and stand in front of any poor woman hut, he addressed that woman as Ma Bhiksham Dehi, Ma Bhiksham Dehi. Then immediately that woman came out and saw Nityananda Prabhu and, "Nityananda Prabhu, you came to my house. All are saying that you are the incarnation of Balarama, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead." Nityananda Prabhu, all are saying you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you are the incarnation of Balarama. I am a poor woman, I am a sinner, I am a lowborn. You are addressing me as Ma, calling me this lowborn as Ma, and begging for Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Please don't do that, Prabhu. What do you want, Prabhu? She asked Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu asked her to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and he showed the deity inside her hut, Krishna's deity inside her hut, and said that, "Ma, you are the great devotee of my Krishna. Please bestow your mercy on me, Ma. Please call all the neighbors here, and we can cook here nice bhoga to Krishna and offer to the Krishna deity, and we will do a Sankirtana here." That woman is very happy. Nityananda Prabhu have no discrimination. Vamsidas Babaji used to say that Nityananda Prabhu will go to every house, address themselves as Bhiksham Dehi, and he will tell to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That merciful Nityananda Prabhu is. He transformed even drunkards, womanizers into Krishna Premakas. That is the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. One who is a sinner, who is low-born by birth and qualification, who is fallen, who is stricken under the pangs of material nature, who is most conditions, definitely they should take the shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is their real relative. Nityananda Prabhu is their real master. Once Nityananda Prabhu approached a drunkard and asked him to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That drunkard replied that, "Prabhu, I am very low-born. I not have any qualification. I am already drunken. I am a meat eater, most sinner, low-born by birth and qualification. Prabhu, you came near me and begging me to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. When you started kirtan at every evening, I used to observe all of your devotees from far distance, and I will thought that I not have any qualification to join with you, and from far away I am paying my obeisances. Prabhu, please bestow your mercy on me. At least even after the millions or billions of lifetimes, at least make me as your associate to go with you for kirtana, for sankirtan. Now I am completely addicted to this Bad habits, I can't withdraw this one. Nityananda Prabhu says, why? Why you should wait for millions of lifetimes? You are intoxicated with drinking. I will give more intoxication than that one. I will give Krishna Prema. And he bestowed Krishna Prema to the drunkard. That is the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is very spiritually innocent. He don't know anything. He simply used to walk like a madman, and he will distribute Krishna Prema where whoever in front of him is there, he used to distribute Krishna Prema. That is the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Even Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the embodiment of mercy. Such Gauranga and Nityananda Prabhu are your real saviors. Real saviors. So conditioned soul, Baddha Jiva. So don't waste in your time. Don't waste in your time in this so-called material pleasures. Lochandas Thakur Prabhu says, "O Jiva, O brother, please don't entangle in these material activities. Don't hanker towards material pleasures. Take the shelter of most merciful ocean of mercy, Gaurasundara and Nityananda Prabhu, and escape from this repeated birth and death cycle of samsara and attain Krishna Prema, reach Krishna." Lochandas Thakur Prabhu saying this one. How can we completely describe the glories of Nityananda Prabhu? One can count all the stars in the universes, or all the galaxies, or billions of galaxies in the universes, or all the atoms scattered in all the universes. But it is very difficult. It is not possible. How can an insignificant soul and fallen person like me can describe the glories of Nityananda Prabhu completely? No, I can't. I can't. Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.